There we go. It's recording.
Okay.
Okay. It's recording.
It's recording.
Me and Aaron started from there and we're trying to get Joey to get in.
Oh, we got the camera going, so make it fast.
Bring on, get in. My shoes are really bad. Hold on to the rope. Hold on to the rope. Everyone hold on to the rope. Oh God, ready? Hold on. Ready?
Are you guys ready?
Wait, wait. No!
Tell me when.
No, wait, I'm not in the front. No.
Okay.
No.
Oh my God! I can't believe you guys let him do that. Oh my God!
Are you okay?
He doesn't know yet. Claudia, I can't believe you let him do that. Did you get the whole video? Oh my God! That was the scariest thing I've ever seen.
Let's get that.
Oh my God!
Are you okay, Ethan?